Rolo the Recycler, the eco-friendly vehicle robot. One sunny morning, Rolo watched the news in his garage, frowning as he saw images of littered parks and polluted rivers.
Our city needs help to clean up and recycle. Can anyone save our environment?
With determination in his eyes, Rolo revved his engine, ready to embark on a mission to save the environment.
I'll do my best to clean up our city and teach everyone about recycling.
When Rolo reached the park, he was shocked to see trash scattered everywhere while children played nearby, unaware of the mess.
This place needs my help. Let's get started.
With his robotic arms, Rolo swiftly picked up the litter, placing it in his compartments as he worked diligently.
Every piece of trash counts. I can make a difference.
After collecting the trash, Rolo gathered the children around to teach them about recycling and the importance of keeping their environment clean.
Remember, kids, recycling helps our planet stay healthy.
To make learning fun, Rolo organized a game where the kids sorted trash into different recycling bins, laughing and cheering as they played.
I got the plastic bottle in the right bin.
More children joined Rolo, excited to help clean the park and learn about recycling together, forming a team of eco-warriors.
Great job, everyone. Together, we can make a big difference.
After a day of hard work, the park was clean and sparkling. The children played joyfully, enjoying their beautiful surroundings.
This park looks amazing now.
Rolo and the children held a small rally to share what they learned about recycling with their community, encouraging everyone to join in.
Let's spread the word about keeping our planet clean.
To celebrate their success, the children and Rolo enjoyed a picnic in the clean park, sharing healthy snacks and laughter.
This is the best day ever!
Driving through the neighborhood, Rolo inspired other kids to join in their recycling adventures, making the mission even bigger.
Let's clean up our streets together.
Together, Rolo and his new friends worked on various projects, planting trees and creating community gardens for a greener future.
Every small action helps our planet thrive.
Rolo stood proudly with all the children, looking over their clean, beautiful neighborhood, knowing that their teamwork made a difference.
Together, we can protect our planet.